guys, welcome back to Eat Travel Fun. This is Mansi Oza and today it's a trekking video. Day started early as we took train to reach our location to start the trek. Today I am in Karnala and I am going to do a trekking to a Karnala fort. To come to Karnala you have to get down in Panvel and Panvel से यहाँ आने के तीन तरीके हैं. You can either come by bus, auto or a Uber. Obviously bus is the cheapest but I came by Uber which cost you around $200. Also ensure that if you take an auto, tell them specifically that you want to go to Karnala Bird Sanctuary because we took an auto and auto actually dropped us at Karnala Sports Academy which is not the location. So be very specific. It's actually available on Google. Even though Google में location बहुत पहले आता है, just further ahead there is an exit and from that you can come at the entrance of Karnala Bird Sanctuary. So now let's get started with our trek. I've come on trek with my friend Mamta.
Hi.
So now we are just off and they say it's a 1 hour trek. So
Yeah.
let's see if we reach in 1 hour or we might just take 2 hours. Karnala Bird Sanctuary is home to over 200 species of birds. There are some birds you can see at the entrance and rest can be explored as you go on the trek around the area. So we are, I think, halfway there. It is very beautiful. Everything is covered with trees, so there is hardly any sun. Only from the bits and pieces you can see sun coming out like this. But otherwise the whole trek is very, very good. And it's very cold here. The weather-wise, this is much, much better. Now let's see how Mamta is doing. Mamta, how's the trek for you and how are you liking it so far?
So for me, this is the first time I am doing the trek, so I would totally recommend the beginners to come over here. And it is so musical. I mean, the birds, the nature, I am in love with it.
Yes guys, you can only hear the birds here. Also, a lot of people have given me a story about leopard being in this forest or in this region. There are possibilities there. So let's hope we don't encounter them and reach safely on top of Karnala Fort. So after a little bit of uphill, now we are on the flat grounds. You can see the fort is still very far away. I think we have just done the trekking for 15 minutes. Actually very good for the beginners, but not just that, they also have these signs which tell you which way to go. So there is no way or possibility of you getting lost because the whole pathway is properly designed for you to walk. So I think we are done with 70-80% of the trek and view is just awesome. The whole I don't know what road, but this road is there, which is like a
I think Mumbai,
main road.
Goa.
Mumbai Goa road.
I think so.
But the view is amazing. I can't wait to see the view from the top because I'm sure that will be an awesome. Our last point is there and it is quite hot. We started very late, so obviously the sun is now completely up. Now let's go in the fort and see if we can reach on the top of the fort, provided it's allowed to go there. Karnala Fort, also known as Funnel Hill, is a hill fort in Raigad district of Maharashtra. The location of the fort was very strategic as it overlooked Bhor Pass connecting Konkan and Vidarbha region in Maharashtra. So right now we are at the bottom of the fort, and from here there are steps which goes all the way up. Karnala Fort consists of two forts, one at a higher level and other one is at a lower level. So we have reached Karnala Fort. यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये पॉइंट तक ही अलाउड है. यू आर नॉट एबल टू गो अप ऑन द एक्चुअल फोर्ट, बट यहाँ तक आने में भी काफ़ी मेहनत लगती है. ऑब्वियसली द लास्ट बिट वेयर यू आर क्लाइंबिंग द स्टेप्स ऑफ द फोर्ट इज डिफिकल्ट वन, but it feels good. Yes, here is the final point. At center of higher fort is basalt pillar Pandu's tower. It was used as a watchtower. At the base of the watchtower is a water storage facility. Best part is this. Isn't it amazing? Amazing view. I think this is like the whole of Panvel city, and then there is a main route. I think it's a Mumbai-Goa route. I wish I came little early because I think sunrise from this point would have been awesome. That was a Karnala Fort visit. Stay tuned because I will share things you need to carry, because even though we are well prepared, sometimes small things we always forget, or rather I always forget. We have reached our midpoint. The area from here onwards is actually without shade, so I was trying to finish that part as soon as possible. And now I'm going towards the second half, which is pretty much covered with trees and has a lot of shade. At least at 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock, it is much better place to do a descent rather than doing it in the open air with direct sun on your head. The end of trek is when you fill your stomach with some delicious food. Trek was really good. We took 1.5 hours to come down and around 2 hours to go up. Now few things you need to keep in mind when you're doing trekking is that one, please carry Odomos. यहाँ पे बहुत मच्छर है. Apart from that, ensure that you definitely carry a cap and a sunglasses, because when we started quite late. And apart from that, water is must. Ensure that you have enough water with you, not so much that it becomes difficult for you to carry up till the fort. So have the sufficient amount, no more no less. And definitely chocolates is must, because there are times where you need sugar to give you the push. So these are the few points you need to keep in mind. And apart from that, you can always carry food with you to eat once you reach the top, because मेहनत करने के बाद जो खाना मिलता है वो बहुत ही टेस्टी लगता है. Just enjoy the trek. I hope you enjoy the video, and let's see how Mamta is doing. Yes, Mamta. How was your
I am
experience?
super tired, but it was wonderful, and thank you so much for introducing me to this trek. I think she was the one who pushed me for this trek, and I'm glad. I'm really glad that I tried it and I did it. So thank you. It was wonderful.
You're welcome, and hopefully we'll do more treks and
Yes,
we'll explore
hopefully.
more places in and around Mumbai. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give us a big like. Let us know in the comment section your views, feedback, if you have any questions. And before you go, subscribe for your weekly dose of Eat Travel Fun, and do check out Mamta's channel as well. I will mention all the links in the description below.